In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a review of main verbs and helping verbs. And what I want you to do is get out your writing journal to take notes and also your practice companion book. So the first thing we want to take a look at as far as reviewing, what is a main verb? We know that the main verb expresses the action of a sentence. I want you to write this down in your notes. So the main verb will always show an action. As far as a helping verb, it can be used to change the tense of the verb or in some cases to alter its meaning. So a helping verb does not show action at all. And some very common helping verbs are the forms of be, do, and have. Now let's take a look at some sentences that have blanks and we'll try to figure out whether it would be a main verb or helping verb. So we can see for the first one, it says Jenny will blank her dog after school. Now, if we were to say walk, brush, or feed, we would know that that would be the main verb. Why is it the main verb? We take a look back at our definition of the main verb, and that expresses action. So if Jenny will walk her dog after school or will brush her dog after school, we can see that that would be the main verb of the sentence. The next one, the children, and let's say we have will leave soon, we could see that will would be the helping verb, okay, because once again, if we take a look at our definition, it can be used to change the tense of the verb or in some cases to alter its meaning. So we have will leave soon, showing that it's going to be in future tense. So you can see Jenny will, I'll just write that up here, will walk her dog after school. You can see walk would be the main verb, will would be the helping verb there. So now what I want you to do is turn your practice companion books to page 271 and we'll go over this together. So you can see at the top it says main verb and helping verb. Main verb is the verb that shows the main action. Helping verb helps the main verb show tense or when the action occurred. And some examples of helping verb forms of be, do, and has are the most common forms of the helping verbs. Now, we can see for the directions for page 271, it says read the following sentences. Draw one line under the helping verb that fits the sentence and 2 lines under the main verb. The first one has been done for you. So for number 1, we can see Jessica's family was planning a long weekend at the beach. Okay, so we can see was would be the correct helping verb. We would underline that once. Planning will be the main verb. We'll underline that twice. Now let's take a look at number 2 together. And it says Horatio and his sister were meet them there early Saturday morning. So we can see will, we'll underline that once as the helping verb, and meet shows the action, and we will underline that twice for the main verb. Now what I want you to do is complete numbers 3 through 15, and when you're finished you can press play and I'll have the answers for you. So pause the video now. So here are your answers for number 3 through 15. You can see 3 underline are, and then warning is the main verb. 4 were helping, listening main. 5 have is the helping verb, and seen is the main verb. 6 will, and then visit for the main verb. 7 will again for helping, bring for the main. Number 8 are for the helping, blocking for the main verb. Were for the helping verb, hiding for the main verb. Number 10 are for the helping, working for the main. Number 11 have for the helping verb, finished for the main verb. Number 12 has for the helping, prepared for the main verb. 13 have for the helping, practice for the main verb. 14 had for the helping, heard for the main verb, and finally will for the helping and block for the main verb. Now once again, you can see the role of the main verb is to show the action that is going on in the sentence. And if you take a look at numbers 1 through 15, everything that we underline twice is showing an action. And then also that you can see with the helping verb, it's used to change the tense of the verb or in some cases to alter its meaning in a sentence. So this concludes the review on main verbs and helping verbs. If you have any questions about this concept, please come and see me.